Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Now let's make some Asian sweet chili prawns. Okay guys, so here in this bowl I have 1 pound of prawn, and I'll be seasoning that with my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And yes guys, I use this seasoning in every single thing. I can't go without my Maggi, man. I can't. I'll also be using some Old Bay seasoning, some smoked paprika, garlic powder, black pepper. So okay, now guys, I'm gonna rub all those amazing seasoning on my prawn, just making sure that it's well rubbed in from the crown of its head to the sole of its feet. Amen. Yeah. So okay, now guys, it's time to sear my prawns. So in a skillet on medium heat, I'm adding about half cup of canola oil, and I'm just gonna let that heat. Then I'll be adding my prawns, and I'm just gonna sear that for about 45 minutes on each side until they're golden. Okay, so now I'm removing them from the skillet, and I'm just gonna put them aside so they can cool down. So okay, I now return the skillet to the stove, and I'm just heating some butter, just melting some butter, and I'll be adding some chopped garlic, and I'll be sauteing that until it's golden. So okay, now it's time to add my prawns, and I'm just gonna toss that in that garlic butter. And now guys, it's time to add my chili sauce, and this is a hot chili sauce, guys. Okay, so now guys, I want each prawn to be well coated, so I'll be adding some more hot chili sauce. So now guys, I'm just gonna cook that for about a minute, just making sure that each prawn is well coated with that amazing sweet chili sauce. Can you guys missing all that. Oh my goodness. So guys, it's time to remove my prawns and it's time to begin. But first, I'll be garnishing these with some hot chili pepper, guys. Yeah, you guys can either use hot chili or green onions, parsley, whatever you guys have on hand. But guys, this is the end of the video and this is the finished product, guys. I love you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned to more amazing videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification so you can get notified when I post new videos. As I said, I love you guys so much for watching. I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.